This one is over freezing on the fresh food side area. I'm going to replace the damper for this one. Okay, to remove the damper, there's a screw from here, from this side. We need to unloose the screw and then we have to pull out the cover damper. Okay, see, I'm unloosing the screw and then after that I want to pull out the grill for the damper. This is the screw here. Okay, and then we have to slide it in. We can see the damper is here. That is the damper. The problem is like all the time it's open and it doesn't close. The damper, when it's fine, it needs to close when it's reached the temperature. When it's go over the temperature, it's open to let the air flow to this area, but now it's all the time it's open and then the food is over freezing. See, the damper is open. This is the problem. I want to replace this one now. Okay, see, this is the new damper. This is the box from this damper and this wrap on paper. See, can you see this is the damper, this new damper, and the flapper damper is closed, but this work about with temperature. Open with the when it's temperature high, it's open. When it's reached the temperature, it's closed. This is how the damper work. Okay. There you go. That's how we can move the damper. And I see it's a little ice from here. And this is the connection for this. We need to remove the connection and then we have to connect this connection to the new one. Okay, it's done.